Hello, y'all. I just want to warn y'all, I have not had a stroke. I had to go to the dentist this morning, and when I smile, what does it look like? Does it look like I've had a little bit of a stroke? Eddie?
No,
it
you're
doesn't.
fine.
It's back. It's back right. They had to give a lot of deadening.
You sound fine.
Oh yeah, it didn't affect my vocal cords. Just my face muscles. All right. So I am thinking about recipes, y'all, that might come in handy for between Christmas and New Year's. Because even though we've eaten like pigs, we still gonna have to eat that week too. So I thought I'd share a recipe with you that I think is real good. It's a caramelized onion dip with blue cheese. So if you like blue cheese, I think that you will love this recipe. So I'm gonna start by caramelizing 2 large onions. And this should take about 20 minutes to get these caramelized. And I'm gonna add some olive oil and about a tablespoon of butter. I don't know what I set that on. Oh, I got it on high. So you'll wanna do this, not super fast and not super low, but so 20 minutes you should have the onion the way it should be. Now that I have the onions coated with the olive oil and the butter, I'm gonna go ahead and add our garlic. And this is gonna be so good. So there we go. They're starting to wilt a little bit. So I'll just keep my eye on those because while they're caramelizing, I'm going to do the cream part of our dip. So I'm going to do that in my food processor. Check it out, make sure everything's together. So I'm going to start with 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. There we go. Got a little bit up there. What is that, a half cup of sour cream?
Yes, ma'am.
Half a cup of sour cream. And I see some mayonnaise in our future. You can't.
That breaks your heart.
Oh, listen, you can't have a dip without some mayonnaise in it. I'm just saying. And that looks about a half a cup of mayo too. Half a cup of cream cheese. Half a cup of sour cream and half a cup of mayo. Now, did I do the blue cheese?
Blue cheese goes in with it too.
Okay, well, I'm gonna hold on. A minute and get my cream cheese, where it's nice and mixed. And then I'm gonna add our blue cheese. Or if you are a Roquefort lover, I love Roquefort cheese. But have y'all found it's harder to find a delicious?
I have never really bought Roquefort.
Oh my gosh, it's just my favorite.
I will tell you though that your recipe calls for 5 ounces, and of course in inflation times they've gone to 4 ounces.
4 ounces, that's all right. Now for the top, for our blue cheese and onion dip, I have melted a little under, it's not quite a half a stick of butter. So I'm gonna put my breadcrumbs. I am choosing to use panko. I just love Japanese breadcrumbs. So I melted my butter rather than daubing the top. with little pats of butter. This way, every morsel gets buttered, and I like that. So there we go. That's ready for us when our
Do you want to show
onions
the
are
onions at this
yeah.
stage, and then we got probably about 10 more minutes. Here's your nothing strange.
Yes. And you can see they have not even started browning yet. So when I make French onion soup, I'll usually spend 45 minutes just caramelizing the onions. You know, because I do it rather slow. Okie dokie. So we're in a holding pattern until these onions are caramelized. Okie doke, that should be nice and smooth. Now I'm gonna try to take that blade out. And I think what I want to do is get a bowl and maybe turn this out into a bowl first rather than trying to put my onions and stir those in there. I think I'm gonna do them this way. All right, so in goes our caramelized onions. And they smell so good. They were real strong sitting up here raw. I thought, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be crying. But I didn't. I didn't cry. And we're going to put this in the oven. A preheated 350 degree oven. Now because those onions are in circles, might take a little bit of stirring to get them incorporated with the cream cheese and the blue cheese. Okay, so I want to give our pan a tiny bit of a spray because I don't want it to stick, as this is bacon. And I'm putting it in, I think it's like an 8x8. An 8x8 pan. So in it goes. And we're going to serve these with this with a pita chip. Or, you know, I love frying the flour tortillas. I love cutting those up in triangles and deep frying them. Oh my gosh. It's so good with dips. Okay, so next, that's onion bacon. So next is our panko. Now it called for 1/3 of a cup, but I'm using probably a 1/2 a cup, and I'm probably gonna want more. But this is what I'm going with, y'all. This is gonna be so good. Okay, 350, 20 minutes. This is really, 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 really hot. I mean, it just came out of the oven. Our Vidalia and blue cheese dip. Yum. If you like blue cheese, this is the way to go. happy something, y'all. This is good all year round. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.